Hello friends. You're welcome again to my channel. If you are watching me for the first time, I hope to subscribe my channel if you like my content. Today we will talk about several ways of cooking eggs. Let us start. Methods of cooking eggs. Eggs are one of the items eaten on a weekly basis in our various diets. It is a delicious taste and rich in important benefits to keep our bodies healthy. As we know, we can eat eggs and whistles, both of which provide a good combination of vitamins and minerals. Eggs also come in many mixtures and recipes that are concerned with maintaining healthy skin and hair. We'll make a quick tour of some of the quick dishes eggs are prepared for, then we'll look at the nutritional value of eggs. Finally, we will highlight some famous recipes, so let's start with our journey. Egg quick dishes are a main ingredient. Scrambled eggs. It is a whisk of a quantity of eggs in the mixing bowl with a fork. Then add the milk with the continuity of the whisk. Then pour the ingredients in the pan and cook for no more than 1 minute. Hard-boiled eggs. It is one of the most common simple ways to prepare eggs, where a certain number of eggs are chosen to be placed with an appropriate amount of water in a sufficient amount to fully immerse the eggs in water. Then leave the eggs for 10 minutes until the water boils. Then the heat is lowered and left for a period ranging between 15 to 20 minutes. Then the eggs are removed and placed in cold water. Then peeled and eaten with some spices such as black pepper and salt. Poached eggs, which is similar in the way of preparing boiled eggs, where a certain number is placed in a pot of water, so that the amount is completely immersed in the egg grains. Then leaves a shorter period of boiled eggs in the previous method, as this type is half-level. Fried eggs. It is one of the desired dishes among a large group of people, where a certain number of eggs are fried in a skillet proportional to the size to be prepared. Start with a small amount of oil and put on the fire until it warms a little. Then put the egg content in the pan and sprinkle with a little of salt. Then fry the quantity for a period of not less than 3 minutes. Then sprinkle some black pepper on it and prefer eating hot to get the desired flavor. Poached eggs. It is prepared by placing an amount of water commensurate with the number of grains of eggs to be prepared, so that the amount of water reaches half of the pot. Then a little salt and vinegar is added. Then stir the water and leave until it boils, so that the grains of eggs are broken and placed in the water, until they form each pill as in a single tablet. Defiled eggs. It is boiled eggs, but the yolk is extracted separately and some ingredients are added to it, where a quantity of green onions is roasted in vegetable oil, and garlic, leeks and ginger are added to it, and these ingredients are mixed after wilting with egg yolk. Some boil to mash these ingredients together, and add sesame oil, salt, and black pepper. Then empty this mixture as in halved egg white. Omelet. It is another recipe for cooking eggs, in which we need 3 grains of large and chopped onions, parsley cut into small pieces, 2 pieces of chopped tomatoes, 3 tablespoons of flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, a small amount of oil, salt, and pepper black. Begin roasting the onions in the oil. Add the previous ingredients to the onions to stir well and then place them in the baking tray painted with oil. Then put in the oven until the top surface turns red. Egg salad. Prepared from boiled eggs, in addition to mayonnaise, celery or onions, salt and black pepper. Eggs frittata. Prepared in several forms, by adding vegetables such as mushrooms, potatoes, and peppers, and eaten for breakfast or dinner. Eggs burrito. It consists of steaks, eggs, pepper, salt, tortilla slices, grated cheddar cheese and onion slices. Where all the ingredients are emptied after preparing them in tortilla slices and wrapped. Baked eggs, which is prepared by cutting the top of the burger bread, as well as removing the pulp while preserving a small amount of it until it is applied with butter or olive oil. Then the egg content of eggs and yolk is placed inside the bread. Then to the baking tray. The nutritional value of eggs. A grain of eggs contains 72 calories, 6 grams of protein, and 5 grams of fat. As the egg yolk contains protein, vitamins such as vitamin A and vitamin D, and minerals such as phosphorus. An egg white contains riboflavin, potassium, sodium, and folic acid, selenium, calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. Some famous egg dishes. Egg and tuna salad. Ingredients: 6 grains of boiled eggs, 3 boiled potatoes, 2 large tablets of grated carrots, 1 medium onion, chopped, 3 cans of white tuna, a cup of mayonnaise, a cup of sour cream, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, chopsticks from green onions, a cup of shredded cheddar cheese, a cup of parsley leaves, small spoon of salt, a 1/4 of a teaspoon of white pepper, a 1/4 cup of black olive slices. How to prepare: egg whites are separated from the yolk. Each of the previous 2 parts is placed in a separate bowl. We rub the egg whites with a fork or knife. And repeat that for the yolk as well. We filter the tuna from the liquid. And then placed in a deep dish. Add the onion to the tuna and start stirring the ingredients. Add the mayonnaise, cream, salt, pepper, lemon juice, and green onions to the egg yolk. And stir them well. We put the potatoes at the bottom of a high-edge glass dish. We distribute a few carrots, tuna, egg yolk mixture and egg white mixture, as well as cheddar cheese, parsley and olives. We repeat the previous process until we have layers of these components ending with a layer of egg yolk mixture. Decorate the salad surface with a little parsley and olives.